Did you rip that off?
Of course, from a group of Libyan nationalists. They wanted me to build them a bomb, so I took their plutonium and in turn gave them a shiny bomb casing full of used pinball machine parts. Come on, let's get you a radiation suit. We must prepare to reload.
We searched all through the night.
Crazy drunk driver.
Oh, Brett. You look great. Everything looks great. 124. I still got time. Come on, Doc. Libyans.
Safe now. Everything's lead lined. Don't you lose those tapes now. You need that. The record. Let's put this back here. There we go. What? I almost forgot my luggage. I mean, who knows if they got cotton underwear in the future. Oh, I'm allergic to all synthetics.
The future. That's where you going?
That's right. 25 years into the future. I've always dreamed of seeing the future, looking beyond my years, seeing the progress of mankind.
Why not?
I'll also be able to see who wins the next 25 World Series.
Doc.
Huh?
Look me up when you get there.
Indeed, I will. Roll 'em. I, Dr. Emmett Brown, am about to embark on an historic journey. What am I thinking of? I almost forgot to bring extra plutonium. How did I ever expect to get back? One pellet, one trip. I must be out of my mind. What is it, Arnie? Oh, my God. They found me. I don't know how, but they found me. Run for it, Marty! Who? Who do you think? The Libyans!
Holy shit!
I'll roll their fire!
Doc, wait! if you bastards can do 90.